Designing a minimalist kitchen is not only about functionality, it is also about creating a space that feels calm, refined, and visually balanced. One area that often gets overlooked is the kitchen wall. While many people leave it bare or fill it with random decorations, the right approach to wall decor can quietly elevate the entire room. In a minimalist setting, decoration is not about excess. It is about adding meaning, atmosphere, and character in a subtle, thoughtful way. Below are creative yet simple ideas for decorating kitchen walls while preserving the timeless elegance and clarity that minimalist interiors are known for. Focus on clean lines and balanced composition. Minimalist design celebrates order and visual harmony. This means every object placed on the wall should have a clear purpose and support the overall mood of the room. Instead of filling the wall with multiple decorations, choose one or two elements that create balance. For example, a single framed artwork positioned at eye level can look more elegant than a crowded gallery wall. Use thin frames, neutral colors, and simple designs to maintain a clean aesthetic. The goal is to create calm, not noise or distraction. When arranging wall decor, pay attention to spacing. Empty space or negative space is an important part of minimalist design. It allows the room to breathe and makes each decorative element feel intentional rather than random. Use neutral tone artwork for a timeless look. Artwork can enrich a minimalist kitchen when chosen thoughtfully. Soft tone prints, abstract line drawings, or subtle nature-inspired themes work beautifully in a refined interior. Avoid loud patterns or bold graphics that dominate the space. Monochrome artwork, such as black and white sketches or soft gray compositions, blends effortlessly with neutral kitchen palettes. Pieces featuring organic shapes or watercolor textures can also add warmth while keeping the mood gentle and sophisticated. If the kitchen has wooden accents or marble surfaces, choose artwork that echoes those tones. This creates visual continuity and strengthens the overall design story of the room. Introduce texture with natural materials. Minimalist interiors are often simple in appearance, so texture plays an important role in adding depth. Instead of relying on busy decorations, let natural materials become part of the decor. Some elegant ideas include wall-mounted wooden shelves with smooth, flat surfaces, slim floating ledges for ceramics or glassware, woven wall panels or subtle fabric accents. These materials bring warmth and tactile richness without overpowering the space. Natural textures like wood, wrought tan, or stone complement minimalist aesthetics because they feel organic and timeless. When using open shelves as wall decor, keep them curated, not cluttered. Display only a few meaningful objects such as neutral-colored bowls, simple jars, or a small plant. Consider functional decor that blends with the interior. One of the strengths of minimalist design is that beauty and function often work together. Instead of decorative objects that serve no purpose, choose wall elements that are useful in daily life while still looking stylish. Some examples include a simple floating rack for cutting boards, magnetic knife strips with clean lines, minimalist pegboards with uniform hooks, slim rail systems for utensils or mugs. These features organize the space while acting as subtle visual accents. They emphasize practicality without sacrificing elegance, a perfect reflection of minimalist living. The key is to avoid overcrowding. Keep the arrangement orderly, with consistent spacing and matching materials to preserve a refined look. Use soft lighting to enhance the atmosphere. Lighting has a powerful impact on how wall decor appears. Instead of harsh, bright lighting, choose warm and gentle illumination that highlights key features softly. Under cabinet lighting, wall sconces with simple shapes or small LED strips along floating shelves can add depth and ambience. This layered lighting approach creates shadow and contrast, enhancing textures and materials in a subtle and sophisticated way. Warm white lighting works especially well in minimalist kitchens, as it softens the atmosphere and makes the space feel welcoming rather than sterile. Incorporate subtle botanical elements. Plants can bring life and freshness to a minimalist kitchen when used with restraint. Instead of large clusters of greenery, choose one or two small, well-placed plants to decorate the wall area. Ideas include a single trailing plant on a floating shelf, A small wall-hung planter with simple foliage, dried leaves or branches displayed in a neutral vase. The intention is to introduce nature in a calm and understated manner. Avoid bright plastic planters or overly decorative pots. Neutral ceramics, matte finishes, and natural textures are best for maintaining elegance. Plants not only beautify the wall but also soften the hard surfaces often found in kitchens, making the interior feel warmer and more inviting. Keep the color palette soft and cohesive. A timeless, minimalist kitchen relies on a harmonious color scheme. When decorating the walls, ensure the colors echo the tones already present in the room, such as the cabinetry, flooring, or countertops. Soft whites, beige, cream, muted gray, or light earthy tones create a peaceful visual flow. Avoid strong contrasts that break the calm atmosphere. When everything works together, the wall decor becomes an extension of the interior rather than an isolated accent. Consistency is what gives minimalist spaces their refined and enduring character. Conclusion: minimalist kitchen wall decor is not about filling empty space. It is about choosing a few meaningful elements that enhance beauty, function, and atmosphere. Through clean lines, natural materials, subtle artwork, and thoughtful lighting, the walls can quietly transform the kitchen into a refined, timeless interior. By embracing restraint and intention, every detail feels purposeful. The result is a kitchen that looks elegant, calm, and harmonious, a space where simplicity becomes its own form of sophistication.